Hey guys, welcome to this video. On this video, what I'm going to do, because many of my participants in digital marketing, all of them have this very big trouble when they learn about developing a website. It is like they are not fundamentally, they don't know anything about this so-called HTML, hypertext markup language. So what is HTML? So HTML means it's called hyper text markup, okay, language. Okay, this is what hypertext markup language. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a small web page. What I'm going to do in this is going to be a tutorial where you're going to learn how to create a simple website. Okay, so all you have to do is, I'll just close this notepad, and again open the notepad again to know how to go about. So all you have to do is just click on this notepad, and in this notepad what you would do is all you have to learn is you have to learn some few HTML tag. And a HTML page normally starts with these two tags, opening and the closing tags. It's called HTML, right? This brackets HTML and the closing brackets, and slash HTML, and in between these two, whatever you write, that would be the one which is appear on your HTML pages. So within this you have header, it's called head, and then you have slash head, and then you have something called the body, right? Okay, let me just do this slash body. Right now, whatever I write within this body tag, mean to say whatever I write within this body tag, that will be the one which is displayed in any HTML website, right? Let's say, for example, I'm gonna just type welcome to my HTML page, right? And then what I'm going to do, just save as, and on my desktop what I'm going to do is just type, right, something called the test.html. So you have to just type .html and then enter. Once I enter, you will see there is a test page which is created, and just open this, right? Open this, and I'm going to open using your Google Chrome, of course. So once I open this, you will see whether the HTML page is working or not. So you see, welcome to my HTML page. So this is your HTML page. Now I want some kind of decoration. So if I need something, I want it to be bold. So you have something called a H1 tag, right? It's called header tag. So I can have slash H1. So if I have this, right, and I don't want that to be in the probably in the right side. If you want it to be the left side or center, you can do. So welcome to my HTML page. Now if I want this to be in the center, then you could say center, right? And you could also make this, close this, slash center, and then just save this, and then you have to just refresh this. It goes to welcome to my HTML page. Now if suppose, let's say I want an image here, I want an image. What kind of an image? I want to have some image I just want to paste this here. So you could take any image in your desktop and probably you can just paste it here, right? So for example, let's say I'm going to go online and take some image. Let's say I'm just going online. Let's say I'm going to go online and take one good image, let's say. Okay, so what I do, go online. So yeah, so I go online. Yeah, go online, and then what you got to do is you got to just search free, royalty free. Okay, type royalty free images. So you go to royalty free images, and you have a lot of websites. Maybe you will go to pixels, right? Pixels images, and I want something, a very good image, something probably with computers, let's say computers. Or right, a lot of images are there. Let's say I want to have this image, let's say, and then I'm just gonna download this. Yeah, so once I download it, I can take it from my folder. So let's see whether this image is there. Yes, again, show in folder. I think it is there. Again, still it is there. And just take this, Control V. Yeah, I'm having this computer image. Now what we will do is change the name of this page as just computer, right? And then I'll go to my notepad. Now here I will have a tag called imgsrc equal to this image name. So I have to give this image name, so I have to go to desktop and just go to properties. On this properties, I need to have this URL one, okay, and I have to put this URL, and I have to have the name of the, of course, the file, which is nothing but, of course, yeah, take computer, computer dot jpg. Yeah, once I do this, I just save this, and then what you do is you just go to the HTML page and just refresh. I think you have got an image, of course, but the image size is too big. So what you need to do is you need to go and mention the height and the width. Height equal to width equal to. So if you do this, the size of that would change. For example, I could say make it 50%. I could say make it 50%. Let's see, I can even use percentages, for example. Just see, yeah, that's it. So if you want the center to be, you know, even the image to be center, probably you can just change that and just refresh. I think you got your first HTML page. Congratulations. So I want everybody to do this, and in the next video I will try to update even further, lessons on this. Thank you.